Hello my dear students, welcome to the Google Classroom tutorial. To get your Google Classroom in PC, you click on your Google account, click here, move down to the next page and your Google Classroom is available here. Click on this plus button and click on the join class. And you can type your class code here that will be given by your teacher. Then click join. Now we can see how to install Google Classroom in your mobile. You first go to Play Store. Type Google Classroom on your search bar. Now you can see Google Classroom app. Click install button. Now you can see a green color window. In that, click on get started. Next, click choose account for the classroom. You should add your email ID created for this purpose in that. Click next. Enter your password. Once you enter your email ID and password, you can successfully enter Google Classroom. Now on the right side top, you can see a plus symbol. Click on it. Now you can see two options, join class and create class. Click on join class. Enter the class code given by your teacher. You can also enter Google Classroom by clicking on the invitation sent by the school in your email ID. When you enter Google Classroom, you can see three options there: stream, classwork and people. Your classes are available on stream. The announcements about assignment posting, test paper, etc. also can be seen there. To post an assignment, go to classwork. Click on the assignment. So the window will be open like this. Here you can ask your doubts. Click on add attachment. Now you can take photo of your assignment and it can be posted. To post an assignment in PC, click on the assignment. You can see your assignment here. Now click add or create button. Click file. You can upload your JPG image here. That means if you have written your assignment on a notebook, you can take a photo and post it here. Click select file and select the file. Later on, click upload. There is another option. You can create a Google document. Now your Google document is created. Then you click here. the cursor leads you to the next page. You can type your assignment here. After typing the assignment, just close the button. Now, if you open it once again, you can see your assignment here. So close it. Then click on Turn In. Once again click on Turn In. Then your assignment will be posted. To attend a test paper, just go to classwork, take the test paper, you can see the test paper and you can do it. Just click on the submit button. You can see your score by clicking on view score. These are the main features of Google Classroom. The same features are available in your PC also. For any doubts, you can call to the school IT coordinator. Thank you and have a nice day.